Dami sa breakong artista yung nakasama. This time, she's practically in about 99% of the movie. It was a lot of fun. I found
first time,
si Tom first time. There were a lot of things I found out about them na you both individually and together, they're two. Isang magna cum laude at isang geek. May laura ng artista may Rubik's Cube okay sa set, di ba? I mean, it's never happened before. Plus, there is bands na nagpe-paint, di ba? So, you know, it's very interesting. It was very light. It was very... Carla is different when she's alone, and she's different when she's with Tom.
How?
Alam mo na yun? Tanong.
Ang next question mo is, naniniwala ka ba na mag-boyfriend girlfriend sila?
Ano?
Naniniwala ka ba na mag-boyfriend girlfriend sila dalawa?
That's for them to know. I know that they get along well together in the same manner that they get along well with others.